Palettes in AVAIL are a great way for users to kickstart their project workflow. To create a palette, go to the Palettes page and click New Palette. Here you can give your palette a name. As you browse AVAIL, you can add any piece of content to a palette with a right click, then select Add to Palette. You even have an option to select a palette that you've already created or create a new palette. You can also select multiple pieces of content and add to a palette all at the same time. Palettes can be a great tool for collaboration as well. Palettes can be easily shared with team members by opening the palette, clicking on the Manage Users button, then searching for the team member name. It's important to note that adding team members to your palette automatically gives them edit privileges of the palette as well. This means those team members have the ability to remove content from a palette or delete the palette altogether. However, deleting a palette or deleting contents from the palette does not affect the source content from the source channel. Start using palettes today to take advantage of this streamlined workflow. Thanks for tuning in. Explore the next video to dive deeper and learn more about AVAIL.